Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 8, verses 1 to 41. Benjamin became the father of Bela, his firstborn, Ashbel the second, Ahara the third, two Noah the fourth, and Rapha the fifth. 3 Bela had sons, Adar, Gera, Abihud, 4 Abishua, Naaman, Ahoa, 5 Gera, Shephuphan, and Huram. 6, these are the sons of Ahad. These are the heads of fathers' households of the inhabitants of Geba, who were carried captive to Manahath. 7 Naaman, Ahijah, and Gara, who carried them captive. And he became the father of Uzzah and Ahihud. 8 Shaharaim became the father of children in the field of Moab, after he had sent them away. Hashem and Bara were his wives. 9 by Hodesh his wife. He became the father of Jobab, Zebiah, Mesha, Malcham. 10 Jews, Shachia, and Mirma. These were his sons, heads of fathers' households. 11 by Hashum. He became the father of Abidab and Ulpal. 12, the sons of Ulpal, Eber, Misham, and Sheen, who built Ono and Lod with its towns. 13, and Beriah and Shema, who were heads of fathers' households of the inhabitants of Aijalon, who put to flight the inhabitants of Gath. 14, and Ahio, Shashuk, Jeremoth. 15, Zebediah, Arad, Eder. 16, Michael, Ishuah, the sons of Beriah. 17, Zebediah, Meshullam, Hizki, Heber. 18, Ishmerai, Isliah, Jabab, the sons of Elpal. 19, Jachim, Zikri, Zabdi. 20, Elianai, Zilithai, Eliel. 21, Adiah, Beriah, Shimrath, the sons of Shimei. 22, Ishpan, Eber, Eliel. 23, Abdon, Zikri, Hanan. 24, Hananiah, Elam, and Thethijah. 25, Iphaiah, Hanul, the sons of Shashak. 26, Shamsherai, Shehariah, Athaliah. 27, Yarashia, Elijah, Zikri, and the sons of Jeroham. 28, these were heads of fathers' households throughout their generations, chief men. These lived in Jerusalem. 29, the father of Gibeon, whose wife's name was Madasash, lived in Gibeon 30 with his firstborn son Abdon, Zur, Kish, Baal, Nadab. 31, Gedor, Ahio, Zechar. 32, and Mikloth, who became the father of Shemiah. They also lived with their families in Jerusalem, near their relatives. 33, Ner became the father of Kish. Kish became the father of Saul. Saul became the father of Jonathan, Malchishua, Abinadab, and Eshbaal. 34, the son of Jonathan was Merib-Baal. Merib-Baal became the father of Micah. 35, the sons of Micah, Pithon, Melech, Kareah, and Ahaz. 36, Ahaz became the father of Jehoda. Jehoda became the father of Alameth, Asmaveth, and Zimri. Zimri became the father of Moza. 37, Moza became the father of Bineah. Rapha was his son, Elasa his son, and Azali his son. 38, Azel had 6 sons, whose names are these: Azrikam, Baseru, Ishmael, Shariah, Obadiah, and Hanan. All these were the sons of Azel. 39, the sons of Eshek his brother, Ulam his firstborn, Jush the second, and Eliphalet the third. 40, the sons of Ulam were mighty men of valor, archers, and had many sons and grandsons, 150. All these were of the sons of Benjamin. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 8, verses 1 to 40. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.